In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML code to Kajabi landing page. If you want to add custom functionality to a Kajabi landing page, like a third-party widget, a scheduling tool, a custom form, or another embedded element, the easiest way to do it is by using Kajabi's custom code section. This gives you a dedicated place to paste HTML code directly into your page so it can display where you want it. To begin, log into Kajabi and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the left side menu and click Website. This is where Kajabi keeps the tools for managing the pages and design of your site. After that, click Landing Pages. This will open the area where all of your landing pages are listed. From here, choose the specific page where you want the HTML code to appear. Click on that page to open it in the editor. Once the landing page editor loads, go to the left side editor panel and click Add Section. This is how you insert new content areas into the page layout. Since you're embedding custom HTML, you'll now need to select the right section type. Scroll through the available section options until you find Custom Code. If there are a lot of options and you want to speed things up, you can type the word code into the search bar to narrow the list. When you see custom code, select it and then click Add. Kajabi will now place that new custom code section onto your page. By default, it usually appears at the very bottom of the page. That's normal, so don't worry if you don't immediately see it where you want it. If needed, you can drag and drop the section using the small horizontal handle next to it. Move it up or down until it sits in the exact position where you want your embedded content to show on the landing page. Once the section is in the right spot, click on the newly added custom code block in the sidebar. This opens its settings so you can edit what goes inside it. Now look for the text input field labeled code. This is the area where your HTML will be pasted. If there's any placeholder text already in the box, remove it so you're starting with a clean field. Then paste your third-party HTML code directly into that box. At this point, it's a good idea to pause for a second and make sure the code pasted in completely. Sometimes when copying from an outside tool, part of the code can get missed, or an extra space can be added accidentally. A quick review now can save you troubleshooting later, especially if the embedded content doesn't display properly on the first try. When everything looks good, go to the top right-hand corner of the editor and click Save. This applies your changes and updates the landing page with the embedded code, and that's it. You've successfully added HTML code to a Kajabi landing page using a custom code section. The main thing to remember is that the code needs to go inside the custom code block, and you can always reposition that block on the page to control where the embedded element appears. If your content doesn't look right away, double-check the placement of the section and confirm that the full HTML snippet was pasted into the code field before saving. In many cases, that solves the issue quickly. Once saved, your landing page should now be ready to display the custom embedded content exactly where you placed it.